Hello, Sagittarius, and welcome to your 2021 reading. Now, to begin with, I will take up your Moonology cards and we'll just get an energetic check of what your year is going to be like. As I begin, I would like to invite my spirit guides to assist me in this reading, and I wish and pray that 2021 is a beautiful, radiant, happy, and fulfilling year for you. Let's start. It's time to take action. So now is a year in 2021 basically is a year for you where action is going to be very important. So if you are people who really like to plan, then the plans need to be on the back seat. All you need to focus on is taking action on those plans. Okay, so I also sense this year is going to be a very active one for you, like 2020 has been for a lot of us. It sort of put us a little bit on the back foot. 2021, you should not be on the back foot at all. It's time to go out there and really work for what you want. And especially if you've been worried about any particular situation in life, this is really telling you that nothing is going to come out of that situation and everything is just going to be as it is supposed to be. Okay, so don't really worry about anything. Everything is okay. This is just your mind being overactive, right? Okay, let's look at the last one. It's time to give rather to take. Yeah, so basically 2021 is a year where you have to give a lot. This can be when it comes to your relationships, this can be when it comes to working towards your career. This is just a year where you need to focus on giving. Of course, it doesn't mean that you don't get back in return, but when it comes to certain aspects of our career, there are times when we just need to do our work to prove ourselves. Okay, and that's exactly what 2021 is going to be like for you. You have to take action, you have to take charge of your life and really deliver whatever it is that you have in your experience. Okay, that's what's coming through. Now we shall take your tarot to sort of gain clarity about what 2021 is going to be like for you. Okay, you have the card of Nine of Wands. So again, this really goes with the message of it's a time to give rather to take. So what I believe is, if you're working towards something and you've been trying at it constantly and it's like you're very close to giving it up, you should not give up. You should keep standing, keep fighting for yourself. And what I believe is, you guys will do that. The kind of tenacity you have, the kind of inner strength you guys have, you will stand up no matter what. I don't see you quitting. I don't see you giving up. In fact, this is a very respectable position to be in, that no matter what comes in forth for you this year, you guys will not give up. Okay, that is what's coming forth for you, the very first thing. It's a time to give, so be very focused on that. Now you have the Two of Cups. So this year 2021, Sagittarius, you're going to be meeting somebody. This can be a person who you will really like. This can be the first bit of a crush. When you meet somebody, you really like them, the emotional flow that happens, I see that happening. But not only will you like this person, but the other person will like you back equally. So this is like a balanced partnership. Of course, when it comes to businesses as well, partnership businesses will thrive in 2021 because there is an equal amount of give and take, so that is really good. And especially a time to give to rather than to take. So I really feel like if you keep giving at a particular time, you will receive back in return is also something that's coming forth. Okay, so I see you balancing a lot of things this year, Sagittarius. There is a possibility you may work two jobs if that is something that you need, or you'll just have to pay attention to two things at the same time. So this could be paying attention to your career and your home life, like balancing two situations. If you are a mom, maybe you're working from home and your kids are home as well, so you have to balance that. So there are a lot of things that are going to be calling your attention towards them this year. But I know, Sagittarius, you guys are very able to deliver on that front. So I trust you to make the right choices for yourself and manage your time accordingly. This can also be weighing pros and cons of a situation. Okay, so if there is a choice that you need to make, I do see you weighing the options and really prioritizing things according to their importance in your life is also something that I see for you in 2021. Either way, multiple jobs, multiple sources of income is also possible for you. Or for a couple of you, this could be you working a job and also starting your own business, like a startup. That is also possible for you. Okay, in 2021, there is a possibility that sometimes you may struggle, and this is just a struggle that is happening in your mind. Okay, you may feel like the situation is not as conducive as you would like it to be. I do understand in certain parts of the world the lockdown is still in place, so this restriction can actually be that maybe you have to stay at home and work from home, and you cannot actually do what you really want to do. The lockdown has us doing that exactly. So maybe that is something that is feeling like a restrictive situation to you, but understand you can just find ways around it. Okay, you're accomplishing something. So 2021 is going to be a really good year for you. You are accomplishing something. This can be a promotion, this could be a raise at work, this could be just a recognition for a job well done. Especially for people who've been sitting for competitive exams, maybe you'll pass this competitive exams and people will recognize you for having done a job well. Okay, that is what is coming for. Either way, celebration is in order. Financially as well, like I said, you could have multiple incomes showing up for you at this point of time, but money is also coming in very, very strongly for you. So whatever you've done, you're getting it back. That is something I see. And you also have 8 of Wands, so I see you guys traveling this year as well. Also, a lot of things are going to be happening rapidly in your life. So for example, if you pass an exam, you may have to move to university, you may have to move to a different city, to a different country, to a different place of work. All of that is possible. Again, travel is possible, like I said. But again, you may shift to a different department, or because of a promotion you may have to shift a city. That is also possible, but things are going to be happening very quickly. And just see the very first card you got. It's a time to take action. So action is going to be very, very prominent for you in 2021. It's not a time where you get to sit back and witness the year. It's time to really, really work towards your life. That is what I see for you in 2021. I'll take one more. And you're feeling very generous. You're feeling generous with your heart. Definitely meeting a new person, exchanging those emotions, that is also coming. And of course, you also had a time to give rather to take. And I think 6 of Pentacles really personifies that message. So you may be feeling very generous when it comes to your emotions. You may be feeling generous when it comes to your money as well. So there is a possibility you may spend a lot than you usually would this year as well. Okay, you may also give some money to charity, to a community, to a cause. All of that is also possible for you in 2021. Let us take your oracles to get a little bit more clarity about your year. Pleasure. Okay, so this year it's a year of pleasure, so maybe spending a lot more than you usually do on things that bring you happiness, things that bring you joy. That is also coming forth. But again, with pleasure card and the 2 of Cups, meeting a significant other, I'm not going to go into details here, but very much likely. Surrender. Okay, so I see you giving up some things, giving up a habit, a negative habit, moving away from previous habits. But what I feel like, this year spiritually as well, you guys will really, really move forward in your journey. Especially for a couple of you, you may rely on a higher power much more than you usually do. Also, taking up a specific road towards spirituality is also possible. But I also see you releasing worries, releasing negativity, releasing something that doesn't belong in your life is also something I see for you in 2021. Let's look into what's more. exchange of gifts. So there is a possibility that you may enter a deeper commitment this year, meeting a person that was there and pleasure was there again. And yeah, so very much possible you could actually, get engaged, maybe receiving an engagement gift, an engagement ring from your person. That is also possible. But because you've done a job well, this could be you receiving gifts, receiving awards this year. That is also very likely for having done a job well. Okay, that's also very much possible for you. Community, a sense of community is going to be very important for you. So this could actually be getting married for a couple of you. That is also what I see. Meeting a soulmate is possible for you this year. Like, finding your tribe, finding your spiritual tribe is also possible. Like I said, some of you may actually be taking up a spiritual road, a specific spiritual practice, meeting a community that holds opinions that are similar to you. That is also possible. But new friendships are also indicated for you in 2021. Let's look at what do you need to surrender this year. Surrender unhealthy relationships. Okay, so maybe that is also something that you'll surrender. You'll surrender the old so that new can enter your life. Okay, so maybe you are surrendering old relationship patterns, really giving up older ways of relating. Maybe for a couple of you, you may surrender people who are slightly toxic for you and your life, and because of which new people will enter your life. This can be in the form of a romantic partner, this can be in the form of friends, or a spiritual tribe for you. But because you're giving up the old, new is entering your life, and what a beautiful new it is. Yeah, I wish you the very, very best, Sagis. It's going to be a very, very, very promising year for you. I wish you the best. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.